Hello and welcome to another xTex material-specific use case video. This time around we've scanned in a relatively simple blue and white plaid material that has a little bit of warp to it. I'm just going to do a quick overview of how we would go about tiling this material in the most efficient way possible. So after opening up our tiling mode, I'm just going to go through and prepare all our maps so that they're ready to be tiled individually. As usual, we have some wrinkles on our normal map. We're just going to get rid of those by using the smoothing tool, which is now the digital iron. I'm just going to go through and check all the maps. So I checked the metalness. That's fine. It should be black. This isn't a reflective material. I'll check the roughness. So there's a little gradient on there. I'll just give it a bit. It should even that out. Yeah, just like that. And now what I'm going to do is make my more accurate selection. Since there is some warp on this material, we can't really use what we have. We can't use like a big selection because that'll really show up unless you want to take it into Photoshop, but you can see that in another one of our use case videos in the warping with Photoshop video. So right now I just want to find out where the repeat is, and I'm going to place each one of these corners individually on the same point where this pattern repeats. So I've selected this square here, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle of it. And you can zoom in really far. Some patterns you need to, some you don't really have to. And once this is close enough, all I'm going to do is hit enable with the stitching algorithm activated. And we should be able to see that those seams are now gone. And if we bring that into 3D view, we can really just scale this up, see that it repeats well. The warping on this small piece that we selected is pretty negligible, so it doesn't affect our repeat. It doesn't make it super obvious that, maybe the fabric was stretched a little bit when it was scanned. It was a little wrinkly. That can cause warping and things like this. So yeah, once you check that, you're just gonna hit the green check mark and save it, and now we have our tiled material. And that's that.